At Attero, our values are not just something written on our walls, but it is something that decides all our actions and decisions taken every day. We are a company that is leading with innovation and creativity because we are a futuristic company that cannot build on yesterday's ideas. We strongly focus on trust and open culture because trust is not something that can be asked for, but it's something that has to be earned. We are a company that is focused on the customers because we are building a smart business that is focused on sustainability. Most importantly, we are focusing on the growth. And this is the growth not just for the company, but also for the employees. And that's why we focus on upskilling and continuous learning of all the employees, because this is what we are. And after all, how can we build a company that is not smart enough and futuristic? So this is what is Attero, a company that is built on purpose and driven by values.